We're just entering Berwick-upon-Tweed. We're crossing the bridge over the River Tweed. Went into Aldi because we want to get some water. We brought 40, 50, 60, 70, brought 80 litres with us, and we've got through 60. No 5 litre bottles, but we've got 10 1 litres, and it's going to cost £3.50 for that, so it's still cheaper than going on a campsite, isn't it? Oh, yeah. We're also on the search for some diesel. We use an app called Petrol Prices. And with the weather being like this, it's going to go dark earlier, so we think we're going to move on to where we'd planned on parking up for the night. Yeah. This is us for the night. But if you think I'm getting out showing you, I'm not, because look. Time for tea tonight, and we're having something traditional from the northeast. We're having Stottie, and then on it, traditionally, you have thick cut ham, or we couldn't get thick cut ham, but we've got ham, and a peas pudding. Mmm.